Hi, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Susan. I'm a mom of 4 kids. I live in Germany with my family. And if it's your first time coming across my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate your support. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever we drop a new video. In case you're wondering what we are doing here, what I do here is I style my kids' hair. I have 4 girls. And these my 4 girls. I am the one styling their hair. I cook like most African dishes, mom's daily routine, everything they are all we are doing here. That means I can say all in one channel. So don't be surprised when you're not getting a constant video from me. Okay, so that is why I created this video to reintroduce myself to understand what we are doing here. So to my returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming to support this little girl. I appreciate your support. So back to the reason why I am making this video is to reintroduce my channel and to tell you the reason why I changed my channel's name and the reason why I've not been so constant with my content. Okay, first of all, thank you so much for watching till this time and thank you for giving me a thumbs up. Thank you for everything, for your support. Okay, if you have been supporting me all the way, thank you. I appreciate you. So the reason why I keep changing my channel is I was looking for the name, that will match my name and I don't want to be called something another name here, another name in my real life. I feel like okay, I know a gentle life with Susan. Also, kind of my name is still out there, but I just wanted something very simple. I love a gentle life with Susan because I started this channel with Susan Best TV. That was when I was cooking most times. Susan Best. I know it was still Susan. But if I had known, I think I would have stayed in that first name. But I changed it because I thought, okay, since I'm doing more than one thing, let me just try to find a name. And then A Gentle Life with Susan, I was still kind of not okay. I feel that it's too long it will not be easy for a lot of people to remember. So that was why I finally settled with Susan Gold. And I promise I'm not going to change it because I have Susan Gold on TikTok and a lot of people. I have a video where I have almost 50,000 views, 30,000 views, 40,000 views. So, and they all know me as Susan Gold. So I don't intend to change this name. No matter what, I am staying with this name. If you know me now as Susan Gold, and when you go to my TikTok, you're still going to see me there as Susan Gold. And when you go to my Facebook, see me there as Susan Gold because I decided to just stick to this name. All right. So that